Alright, welcome everyone to this tutorial. In our last tutorial, we looked at the buttons, the first two buttons on the second panel, that is the edit and the delete icon, right? And you can just check it out to understand how it works. Okay, so we'll continue with the next button, which is the undo. The undo button is just to take you a step backward. You see, the more as you click on it, it's taking you a step backward. Imagine you deleted something. So let me just click on it and let's see the effect. You see, we deleted this text in our previous tutorial. Is that okay? Can you see? Now, the thing is, there is no redo. The only thing you can do is just come here and recover to save. Let me see. Alright, that's the only thing you can do to recover it. So be careful when you are clicking it, so that it will not go beyond your desired stage or your desired destination whatsoever. So that's the undo button. Now the next one is the zoom. You know, there are times when you want to check out one of the elements, see how it looks properly. Yes, there are times when you want to do that. So you just click on it and use your fingers to just expand. Yes, you can do as much as 500% of your canvas. Is that okay? So you expand, then you can bring it down again with your two fingers. You understand now? You know how you zoom a picture in your gallery? That's the same thing, right? So there are times when you just want to leave it like that and work. So what you do is that you click on the icon, so it will leave it that way. Then you can still continue your work. It will be in a zoomed mode, right? Now, if you want to come back to 100%, just click on the present percentage. The present percentage now is 265%. Just click on it to return to 100%, right? Then you see, I'm trying to click, but it's not clicking. So for you to do anything here, you just have to click back on this icon, so that you can return to your project. I think that's cool. That's well explanatory. Alright. Then the next one is the grids. Yes. In graphics design, we use grid to align, you understand, to make sure that our elements are well aligned. So, and it's very important, especially when you are designing a logo. Whatsoever you do is important. Alignment is a major in graphics design. So just click on it, then you see these grid lines. Is that okay? Now there are things you can work on. You see, when I clicked on it, you can see these two icons at the bottom. Can you see? So this U is a magnet. The symbol is a magnet. Is that okay? That's for me to. Can you see that red line? All right. Let me change this color. The color of this to something else. Let me change it to. Can we do yellow? Okay, let's do yellow. So I want you to see that. Okay, let's change this. Okay, let's change this to just for us to see. Alright, okay. Now let's go back to our grid line. Now can you see that red line? Okay, so there are times when you need the lines to there are times when you want to align your stuffs, and this magnet will help you to know when your text is aligning to one or two or three lines at the same time. It's just magnetic. Alright, does that make sense? If it doesn't, just drop me a comment. I'll come again. So then the next button here is where you can add or remove your line. Maybe you're working on a complex design and you need more lines, so you can just click on this to add horizontal and vertical lines, and you can remove this third one. You can use to remove your lines, and the positioning, you can increase the positioning using the third one. And now this is my favorite. Yes, because there are times when you just want, instead of adding, you can increase the number of guides you want from here, and it will be well aligned. Can you see? Beautiful. So just click on the last one, whatever you want to use. 37 is too much. Okay, so is that okay? Now if you want to reset, maybe you have added and the whole thing is messed up, you want to reset to the default, just come here. The default is 3 by 3, right? Just click OK. Is that okay? And you can move it. You can move it as it pleases you. Okay, so when you're done, just click. If you don't want to see it again, just click it, click out. But if you still want to see it, it's okay, just leave it. You can still continue your work with the guides. I mean the guides or the grids. Okay, so that's that about that. See you in the next tutorial. I hope you really practice. Practice is very important. Alright, see you in the next tutorial.